Everyone talks ChatGPT, but Notion AI is quietly becoming a powerful alternative that many people are sleeping on in 2026. And the surprising part is it's not trying to replace ChatGPT directly. It's trying to beat it in a different way. Let's talk about Notion AI. Notion AI is built directly inside the Notion productivity workspace, meaning it's not just a chatbot. It's an AI that works inside your notes, documents, databases, and projects. That's the big difference. Instead of switching between apps, you can write meeting notes, generate summaries, create task lists, and organize entire projects, all inside the same workspace where your work already lives. One of Notion's AI's strongest features is summarization. You can take long notes, research documents, and meeting transcriptions and instantly turn them into clean, structured summaries. It also helps with writing emails, generating content ideas, and improving clarity in your documents. Now, let's compare that mindset to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a powerful standalone AI tool built for conversation, reasoning, coding, and general purpose assistance. It's extremely flexible and can handle almost any prompt you give it. But here's the key difference. ChatGPT is an AI you go to. Notion AI is an AI that comes to your workflow. So where does Notion AI win? It's strongest in productivity, organization, and workspace automation. If your work already lives in Notion, the AI feels natural and deeply integrated. Where does ChatGPT still win? Flexibility, reasoning power, coding depth, and general intelligence across almost any topic. So, is Notion AI a ChatGPT alternative? Yes, but only in productivity workflows, not as a full replacement. Notion AI versus ChatGPT. Now you know why Notion AI is a powerful alternative, but not a complete replacement. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns and comparisons just like this.